All right, I'm on the Wheeler Peak Trail in New Mexico. If I stay on this trail long enough, I'll get to the top of Wheeler Peak, which is the highest point in New Mexico. That'd be great. I do have a couple things working against me though. For one, it's like already after 5 p.m. So even if I do this quickly, I'm gonna be coming down in the dark. Also, it's been thundering and lightning all day, off and on. There's thunder right there. But, whoa, louder. It's supposedly clearing up right now, according to the satellite imagery. Also, I'm sick. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I've been coughing a ton, sneezing, sniffling, filling up tissues with gross yellow gunk. And literally, when I breathe out all the way, my lungs gurgle. So that can't be good. It might be like pneumonia. I don't know what's wrong with me. In any case, I'm just gonna try it. We'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, the other thing is, I like literally haven't gone up a hill in 4 months. I've been in flat Texas, doing no vert whatsoever. The most vert was the staircase to my apartment for the past 4 months. So we'll see how this goes. But if nothing else, there's like a nice lake up here. I can at least stop there. All right, wish me luck. Well, it's been probably 10 minutes since I've heard any thunder, which is great. So hopefully the satellite imagery was correct, that it's clearing up. Maybe I'll even get to watch the sunset from the summit if I can make it that far. I see blue skies ahead. That's refreshing. Ah. Almost to the lake turnoff. Well, just took the turnoff to Wheeler Peak instead of the other like 500 feet to the lake, and I'm making good time. It's not that I'm like feeling good, because I'm not. I'm like coughing up a lung every 5 minutes, but it's more like that I've just missed the mountains so much. I don't really care that I don't feel that good. Howdy. Just wanted to get at least one coughing fit on camera to demonstrate what they're like. It's not fun. At least that one was short. Alright, I think it's over. Might have a couple more coughs coming. Yikes. Oh, okay. Here's a deer friend. A deer friend. It's raining again, but only light. I'm sure it's fine. The last people I just passed said they didn't get any thunder and lightning on the top. Surprised me, but it's great. Well, getting to that tree line feels good. Again, not that I'm feeling good, but pretty determined now. And if I have to, I can slow way down because I'm making really good time. So, yeah. Neat. Quite pretty. I'm actually feeling a little better than before, although I have slowed down a tiny bit, so I'm sure that helps. I don't know. I still am coughing sometimes. Maybe it's like that time I did the whirl with Steve. Coughed the whole way, but didn't really seem to slow me down much. Maybe this is like that. Summit Ridge right here. The wind. Beauty. Nice. Oh, there's someone up here. Sort of surprised. Woohoo! So far, so good. All right, well, I'm on the summit of Wheeler Peak, more like Wheezer Peak, the way I've been coughing, and definitely not my healthiest I've ever been. But honestly, it wasn't that bad. I guess it kind of was like when I did the whirl with Steve. I just coughed the whole way, but didn't really slow me down that much. In fact, I got to parking lot to here in less than 2 hours, so feeling pretty good. It would be kind of cool to try to like wait for the sun to actually set, but notwithstanding the cool colors over here, I think it's still like an hour away. So I'm probably not going to wait for it. It's just too cold up here. So yeah.